Hi everyone, welcome back to Jensen DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to change the valve seal on a toilet fill valve. Let's give this a flush and I'll let you listen. Okay, you hear how noisy that is? Since I've already flushed this out a few times over the last few years, I'm going to change out the valve seal inside here, okay? If you have water coming out around here as well, that's a good reason to change the valve seal. So there's our new valve seal right there. First thing we're gonna do is just turn the water off to the toilet. You have to do this. If you don't, the water's gonna spray everywhere and you're gonna get wet. Once the water is turned off to the toilet, you just need to remove this cap. Now, sometimes these caps are difficult to remove. I've had a few comments on my other videos saying I couldn't get the cap off. And yeah, they're on there pretty good, but they do come off, okay? You can see right here. You can see there's a tab right there and a tab right there. That's what's holding this cap on. We just wanna grab on so that we're underneath the ridge, push down with your left hand and pull up with your right. And see that popped off that clip. Now one side's up. Now, same thing. Kind of push down with your thumb on the right and pull up. And there you go. This has been off a few times, so it comes off easier. If you're doing this for the first time, it might take a little more force than that. And you may have to use a small screwdriver. But for the most part, you don't need any tools to do this job. So once the water is turned off, I like to just go ahead and give the toilet a flush. Okay. That's doing two things. That's alleviating the pressure in here, and it's also making sure that the water is fully off, okay? Not that that's gonna matter. If the water wasn't quite fully off and you undid this part, it's just gonna leak out into here. It's when it's under higher pressure, it's gonna wanna spray up. You wanna grab on here firmly, lift this arm up, and then you just wanna twist counterclockwise. There, now you can let go there, and we just twist and pull up. Now that valve seal is just underneath here. All you gotta do is get your thumbnail in there. Now you can see how I took that off. There's this little nub here that goes up, okay? So here's the new one. You can see there's that little nub there. You can see right here, there's a little needle there, and that's what this part of the valve seal attaches to. So you just push that on there, push it up into place. You can see it seals around the edges. So it's right up all the way around, just like that, okay? So there's the new valve seal installed, that's it, okay? We'll get this old one out of here. Just gonna set this here for now. Now you can see down in here, this is the other video I was telling you about, how to fix a loud, hissing, slow filling toilet. You can see there's a little bit of debris down in there. Right there and there, there's a few little chunks. So, now in my other video, I use a container over top. I'm just gonna use my hand. I'm gonna reach down in here. I'm gonna turn the water on really gently. Okay, now I'm flushing that debris out of there right now. We might as well do this while we've got this apart. See? See? I've just got the water just turned on, but that's flushing that valve out. Okay, so we got it flushed out. I'm just gonna dry that out, make sure it's all nice and clean. Yeah, that looks good. There's a little lip on this gray part here that comes out, and that's gonna fit around these little tabs inside here, okay? So we wanna just set that down and turn just a little bit, and that'll fall down. There we go. Grab with your hands here as you're pushing down and turn that back so that it's lined up like that. It stops so you know that it's seated in there. Okay, now if you try pulling up on this, that's not gonna go anywhere, okay? And that arm should move freely up and down now. Now to make sure we have no leaks out the top here, I'm just gonna reach down and turn the water on slowly. Quieter that is now. Okay, so we just wanna take our cap, push down, there we go, that's it. It was time for that valve seal to go. It was like a $3 or $4 part, whereas the whole fill valve is like $20. But it's just a lot easier to service that and change out that valve seal than it is to change out the whole fill valve. Although changing out the whole fill valve isn't that hard either. I have a video on that as well. The good thing is that these parts are readily available. This is a very common fill valve. Well, if the video helped you out and you haven't subscribed to my channel, it'd be great if you could hit that subscribe button. And thank you to all of my subscribers for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, leave that comment below. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.